Well, we had IBM after yesterday's close. Today it's Snap after the bell, and Microsoft, Tesla, Intel, all coming in the next few days. Let's break down a big week for tech earnings with Bob Pisani. Hey, Bob.
Hey, John, how you doing? I think the important thing is a lot of people just don't quite get why the mega caps and tech generally outperforming. And one simple answer is, number one, the earnings picture is just a lot brighter for them than for the more cyclical names like industrials or material names. So you just take a look. The S&P is projected to have 41% decline in earnings for the second quarter. That is a huge decline that we haven't seen in a long, long time. The important thing here is tech isn't going to see anything close to those kinds of declines. We're going to see something roughly around 8% decline. Those are much better than everybody else out there, most of the other sectors, and the margins are also continuing to hold up very well. What's moving the markets besides good tech earnings? Well, the market believes three things here. There's going to be a vaccine, and it's going to happen sometime in the next year. And the second quarter was the economic bottom. Finally, the reclosing, if it turns into a bit of a reclosing, becomes out of the reopening story, there's going to get more stimulus. We're going to see it coming down the road from the Fed and the Congress. Now, the market is saying the reopening story is getting stretched now, not closing, but June 8th was the height of all of that reopening optimism. And since then, the markets have retrenched. So we're back to the mega cap names, which are dramatically outperforming. These are not typos. Amazon is up 70% for the year, but not just mega caps. Semiconductors and the work from home names have all benefited since that June 8th top because people believe they're going to continue to do well regardless of the reopening story. So your DocuSigns and Pelotons and Zoom videos and Amazon. This is just since June 8th, folks, moves on the upside there. Meantime, those that are benefiting if the reopening goes smooth have been generally down since June 8th. Those, of course, the airlines, Live Nation, the car rental companies, etc. Meantime, in terms of guidance, we're not getting much here. IBM, the latest big company, come out. They didn't give any guidance first quarter. Now saying now, here the CEO saying in April, well, we're going to reevaluate in 90 days. Well, we've done it, and we're a little bit optimistic back then. So uncertainty in the economy makes us unwilling to provide guidance. We're hearing this from a number of companies once again here. Coca-Cola also today declined to provide guidance, but it wasn't all bad. Lockheed surprised and actually gave some guidance better than expected, and Philip Morris also was above expected. Even the banks, UBS in Europe, surprised, talking about the possibility of resuming buybacks, and said the credit losses in the second half will be lower than the first half. That's certainly optimistic, and all these are trading to the upside today. So bottom line, guys, is even if the reopening gets a little rocky, and it is indeed, they believe in the power of the Federal Reserve and the Congress to provide stimulus.